Have you ever thought about what is the most important thing in a smartphone for you? For me, it's the camera. This is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, the most overpowered phone by Xiaomi. Since you've already guessed this phone has an awesome camera, let's spice things up a little bit with some street photography. Now let's be real. Most smartphones, even budget phones, look great during the daytime. Where it gets really interesting is the nighttime street-style cinematic portraits. Xiaomi phones and their collab with Leica over the past few years has resulted in them having some of the best image quality on a smartphone. With the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, it takes that to the next level. The perfect combination of hardware and software. The new Xiaomi 15 Ultra comes with a quad camera system, giving you a 14mm ultra wide, a 23mm 1-inch main camera Sony LYT900, 70mm floating telephoto that supports 10cm macro photography, and 100mm 200MP super telephoto. Starting off with the main camera on here. This is the Sony LYT900 1-inch sensor that comes with the Leica Summilux optical lens for better light transmission. It gives you great, authentic and accurate colors with contrast. It comes with a large aperture of f1.63, great levels of detail and natural color transmission with high dynamic range. Next up, the 70mm floating telephoto. This is brilliant for that classic portrait focal length. But even with street photos, the compression is unmatched. This also supports 10cm macro photography, which is great when you want to take those detailed shots. Now the 14mm gives you incredible distortion control, while giving you the ability to capture the entire scene without any loss of quality. Lastly, the 100mm 200MP super telephoto camera that captures long distance shots with great details even when zoomed in. The sensor on this not only brings out 136% more light intake compared to the last generation, but also has a much better high dynamic range and detail. Now that's just about the camera on here, and I'm super impressed. There's a lot more to talk about, but let's save that for another video.